Hello, if you could please say your name and how you are connected with the Boyle Heights community.
My name is Victor Montana, and I'm connected to Boyle Heights since we came from Mexico in 1954. So I have been here since then. However, I have traveled many different places, and I kind of like to be brief. Brevity is just as beautiful as redundancy. And one word that describes Boyle Heights is warmth. You have good people here, and you run into them all over the world. I would have to say that despite all the turmoil that's going on in our nation at present, Boyle Heights is a area of tranquility and warmth, and that's all I'm going to say.
And one last thing on the sounds. When you hear of Boyle Heights, what sounds do you think of?
Usually sounds like the Mariachi Plaza, the sounds of people going to the panaderias, the people traveling just in the afternoons, those are the sounds that I hear. I don't listen to music that much anymore, but you hear different sounds, different kinds of music. Okay?
Thank you.
Welcome.